Welcome to today's episode of Rachel Quinto Creates. This is Rachel, the newest brand ambassador for a very talented lettering artist. She goes by the handle Lettering by Karen, and I'll put all her information down in the comment section below. Now, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know that I received all of these lettering worksheets that she does offer on her website, and I asked my followers which sheet they wanted me to cover first. And this is the winner. I shot the Serif, which is a fun and funky guide to sans serif lettering. So let's take a deep dive into these worksheets, shall we? I Shot the Serif is a fun and funky guide to sans serif lettering. You see the first page here shows the difference between serif and sans serif lettering. And the guide is very straightforward, goes through each letter of the alphabet one by one with her fun and funky style of lettering. All you have to do is trace it a few times, and then she leaves enough blank space for you to try it on your own. Super simple, super fun. I'm gonna go over to my light box and show you how I do it, a little pro tip, so you don't have to go printing things out over and over again. Just use a light box or even just tracing paper and lay it on top, and then you can trace away and practice, and you won't have to print these sheets over and over again. So here I am on my light box with a sheet of paper right on top of the lettering guide, and I'm going to be using the bullet point end of my Tombow dual brush marker to start tracing away at the lettering that she has provided for us on the worksheet. And once you've traced them all, then you can go on and try it on your own. Then you just go all the way down the paper and you just keep practicing until you feel like you've got it. Lettering with Karen not only offers this sans serif font, but she also offers other styles too. She's got great, funny, witty names for each style. And they're all available for digital download on her website. Now, as a brand ambassador, I get to give you guys a special coupon code, and it gives you a 30% off discount on your purchases. Just type in the word Rachel into the coupon code right here, and you can receive that discount. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you next time.